Hello and welcome to my tiny garden. In today's episode, I will harvest Yukon Gold potatoes from this enormous, giant grow bag. It's 50 gallons. The potatoes have been growing for 90 days now, and I can't wait to find out how many potatoes there's gonna be. Come say hi, Bear. Come say hi. Come say hi. Come here. This is Miss Bear, my garden companion, and I have a tortoise that's sitting in the shade right there. I planted 12 seed potatoes in this grow bag. I made the potting soil myself by using peat moss. Some used container soil and organic compost with added composted cow manure. I added perlite to the mix. I also sprinkled in pelletized sulfur so that the soil remains acidic. I watered these potatoes with tap water and it's very alkaline. We had a very dry June. All the plants in the garden suffered and got stunted. It is a very hot day today, so before I melt and my camera melts, let's start digging. So I got 4 pounds of potatoes from a 50-gallon grow bag. Last year I got 2 pounds of potatoes from a 10-gallon grow bag. You can watch that video. However, this is only the first potato harvest, and I have many more potatoes that are still growing. I planted potatoes in spring every 2 weeks, so I still have lots of potatoes to collect. I will plant store-bought potatoes again in the same grow bag. So if you have potatoes that sprouted in your pantry, go right ahead and plant them. In 3 months, you'll get potatoes. Thank you for watching. Until next time, my gardening friends.